Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Pico W5 microcontroller development board from Elecrow. They sent me this board for review and I'm excited to see how it stacks up against Raspberry Pi Pico W and similar boards. The board brings dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and comes in two versions, one with the RP2040 chip and the other with the RP2350. Let's dive in and see what makes this board special. The one I have uses the RP2040 chip. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, we have the Elecrow Pico W5 development board. It retains the familiar Raspberry Pi Pico form factor, meaning it's compatible with most Pico accessories and modules. Microcontroller available in two variants, RP2040, RP2350, wireless connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, larger flash memory than Raspberry Pi Pico, almost double, USB Type-C, 26 GPIO pins, SPI I2C UART ADC PWM support, onboard LED and an included reset button, works with C or C++, MicroPython and CircuitPython, SDK and open source tutorials available. So, how does this compare to a Raspberry Pi Pico W? Here are the key differences. Better connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 versus only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi on the Pico W, USB Type-C instead of the micro USB, more flash storage and added reset button. Same GPIO pinout, so it works with most Pico modules. Overall, it's a more powerful alternative if you need better connectivity and performance. Let's do a quick test using the Arduino to blink the onboard LED. Connect the Pico W5 to your computer via USB Type-C. Open the Arduino IDE, it also works with MicroPython. Add this URL to the preferences and download the Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 for the board's manager. Now select the Raspberry Pi Pico board and upload the simple blink sketch to see it in action. First, when I connected it on my Linux machine, it showed something like a new device RP2040 mounted and so on, and showed two config files being created. Anyway, you just upload the code and that's it. You might need to press the boot button while uploading the code. So basically, this Pico W5 actually has all the missing features of a Raspberry Pi Pico and it's just $6.9, almost the same price. So this is a solid choice for hobbies, makers and electronics enthusiasts looking for an upgrade to or an alternative for the Raspberry Pi Pico itself. That's it for today's review. If you would like to buy one of these from the Elecrow's website, I'll give the link in the description. Go check it out. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.